Dito kami, oh guys. Ayan, nagbibili kami ng mga ano. Ayan, dito kami. No, I got too many. Ayan. Bili-bili kami ng mga ayan. Ito, hindi ko ano, large pala yan. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung ito maganda. Para namang ay, maganda ito. Parang, ano ba yan? Parang malaki naman ang ano nito. 34A. Ayan. Ayan, may tugtog. May tugtog. Kailangan walang tugtog. Ayan, may tugtog. May tugtog. Ayan. Yung pambata yan. Sa Saks kami pupunta. Ayan. T-shirt. Okay. Dito. Sa pambata pala ito eh. Ayan. Puro pambata ito. Hindi dito. Ayan dyan. Oh, pambata. Kita niyo yan. Pambata. Ayun, nandun si Habi. Ayan, saan kami pupunta rito? Sa Saks kami pupunta. Ayan, ang Saks. Ay, pambata na Saks. That's for kids. That's not the one I'm looking. No. No, for kids. That for school. It's not that one.
Can you get one?
Yeah, it's not that one. That is for school. That is for kids school.
Let's go this way.
Kids school, that one. Look. Yeah, over there. Yeah, kids school to. Kids school. Ayan ang mga kids school. Over there. Excuse me. Where is the Saks for
adults?
Adults.
What, sorry?
Socks.
Socks for
Socks.
adults.
Is that men or women?
For women.
I say 2%.
Yeah, kasi for kids to eh. Yan. Puro for kids. Maybe the other side. Yan. Tulungan kami na eh. Ayan. Dito, masyado kasing ano. Ayan, may umiiyak pa rito. Ayan. Thank you so much. Ayan. Yan pala yung hanap ko. Huh?
That's on that wall there.
Ah, okay. Thank you so much.
No worries.
Okay, bye. Thank you. Ayun, dahil pala rito ano. Ayan. Ayan. Saks. Saan ang mga saks? Oh, ito oh. Siya, ito. What size is this? One size lang pala ito. One size. Is that big to me or no?
I have no idea.
It says one size.
Well,
So it's okay that one size. How much is that? 450. One size. Teka,
right.
tignan pa tayo ng pang ano ba yan? One size. One size nakalagay eh. So hindi ba malaki yan? Siguro one size okay yan. Tapos trainer socks. Doon na lang ako sa town bibili yung my name kasi maganda. Ito one size din oh. Kasi yung iba pag nilaban nagaano siya. Ito itatry ko lang. Kano ito? 5 din. Ayan. Ito pang ano, pang Pinas na socks. Ayan siya oh. Ito gusto ko. One size lang. Ayan, one size. Siguro kasya sa akin to. Do you think it's okay to me? This one size it says
I have no idea.
one one size. So, meaning, yes.
You must fit you.
Yeah, at least I got that 2-pack. Yeah,
What
that's
else do you
okay.
need?
Yeah,
What
it's
else
all
do you
right.
need?
I don't need any more. That's it. This one I like, but 2 to 5.
Well, get 'em then.
No, I don't know what size is that. Don't like the gray. Like only the white. Like white. White. Where's the other? This is there one size, isn't it? Teka, tingnan natin dito. One size. Ano ito? No, I'm just only looking. Ito, ayoko niyan. May kulay. Ayan, tingin tayo rito ng
Shadow.
ay, doon na lang sa town yung iba. Okay. Ayan, see you. Ayan guys, nandito kami sa saksyan lang ang pinunta ko, tsaka kukuha ko na sleeper. Sleeper. Ayan, sleeper. Anong sleeper ang aking bibilhin? Ayan. Ito kaya okay? Is this okay, do you think?
Hey,
This one. Para naman tong ano. Gusto ko yung ano lang. I don't like that.
hey.
I don't like that.
Why?
It's not comfortable. I like the one that is comfortable. Comfortable sa paa. Ito. How much is that? 650. 650. Masyado naman maano ito. Wala bang simple lang?
Try them.
Which?
Them.
No, I don't like that one. Too much. This one is a bit okay.
Yeah, but they,
It's too big to me. That
between.
you can tell you it's too
Hey?
big. It's too big. Oh, you can tell it's too big. There's no small. I like only like that. No, it's big.
no, they're not. They're smaller than them.
Same. No, there's no small. Okay. Ayan.
To take on holiday.
Ayan, dito na lang tayo, guys. Ayan, kukuha ako ng ano. Ayan. Ayan. Ay, ito pa pala meron dito. Pero hindi ko type. Hindi ko type. 150 lang, oh. 150 lang itong headband. Headband siya. Ayan. Ito hindi ko naman gusto yung ganyan. Sobrang ano. Ayan, okay guys. Thanks for watching.